Hi guys, welcome to my quick short and sweet vlog about my flight with TUI Airways. I was flying in premium economy and this is just a quick vlog on my trip. TUI is always at the North Terminal in Gatwick Airport. I took the train coming here from East Croydon as I find that's the quickest and easiest way for me. This is a quick video of the premium dedicated check-in area. They will give you a gold card as well for the premium lounge, well, the No1 Lounge in Gatwick, which I'll shortly show you. This is just the duty-free area. I would recommend pre-ordering your duty-free stuff and then picking it up at the airport. So as you arrive on your plane, you are greeted with an amenity kit. It includes some nice warm socks, a sleeping mask, some lip balm, some hand cream, toothbrush and a toothpaste. When you're seated on the plane, they will go around and offer you either a glass of orange juice or a glass of Prosecco, which is a nice touch, and you'll also get like a snack, which I didn't video. I'm going to be very honest, the food did not look good, it didn't taste good, it just, yeah, it was, I didn't eat anything on this tray, to be honest. They do give you some nice afternoon tea before you land. That is the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.